Okay, so what we got here is the BMW 2 Series 2020 installed with reversing camera and CarPlay, wireless CarPlay, all done on the factory system. So you press and hold the back button and there you go, you got full CarPlay, which is wireless as well, so no wires are needed. Comes on the original screen. You can use your original controller to control it as well. Now you can use all your favorite apps. All the music comes to the original system as well. And you can always switch back to your original system whenever you want. And the reverse camera. If you want this retrofitted on your BMW, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.